In front of me is ROG Phone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connected Devices. Then click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!